Where?
Above us!
Wing 0. Locked onto the target.
Another Gundam confirmed, sir. It's in the sky.
What?
Mr. Daykem, we're online with one of the Gundam pilots.
Hero.
Let me confirm. Your shelter shield is activated?
What are you planning?
Your shelter is secure, is it?
Of course it is. See for yourself just how powerless you are.
Roger that.
Gather all the serpents here! Shoot down Wing 0!
What a miserable person. He's not gonna be able to achieve anything.
Are you afraid, Marimeya?
That's impossible! How could this be happening?
The shield has lost half its strength. Wing Zero's aim is accurate to 1/100th of a unit. This shelter will collapse for certain if it's hit again in the same place.
Stop it! Don't you realize Relina Peacecrafters in here?
Hero.